A deep fried chicken with a crispy and flavor-packed coating is must try. This particular dish is a trademark of the famous restaurant in Bangalore named Empire. They have these amazingly yummy chicken kebabs. So today I'm gonna show you how to make fried chicken kebabs. Let's start making it. Take a large bowl, add 2 eggs in it, and then I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of maida, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 3 green chilies finely chopped, 2 teaspoons of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of red color, 2 teaspoons of rice flour, juices of 2 lime, salt as per your taste. Give a good mix. Add some water if the batter is very thick. Adjust spices as per your taste. Now add medium-sized chicken pieces and coat them well. Now marinate it for 4 hours. Just before frying, add 1 teaspoon of rice flour. Mix well. And now heat oil on high heat. Reduce the heat to medium high and add the chicken pieces, a few pieces at a time. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes on one side. Now turn the chicken pieces, fry for 3 to 4 minutes till it becomes crispy. Now drain on paper towels and serve hot with a few lime and fried green chilies to garnish. Every bite is a delight. It is a must-try recipe for those who have been searching for your favorite Empire Kebabs recipe. You can make these at home whenever your heart feels like. Make sure to subscribe. Happy cooking and have a nice day.